Dude, that was an impressive sprint. 100-meter leap. Oh my goodness. It's pink now. Nice. It's changing his car all the time. Zoom in, closer, closer. That's close enough. It's currently 10:40 a.m. guys. Sunset Boulevard is gridlocked. I don't know what's going on. I've never seen anything like this at this particular time or day. Just got back from the PML quick strike. That too was plagued by tons of traffic. What the actual hell is going on here? Oh no. This is going to be the second light I might miss. No, I'm just gonna, nope. Oh God. Check out this license plate, Mr. Burt. Oh my God, that's the best license plate we've seen. All right guys, check this out. We got a new driving mate, Mr. Sheep. He's gonna be joining us in future vlogs, but check out the Aston Martin Vanquish Volante right over there, pretty nice. And some dude, I swear, I got triggered pretty hard. He just walked past, he's around the block now, but he came up to me and said, your car looks like a Ford Mustang. Oh man, triggered. Guys, check out this Ford GT. I'm gonna zoom in. We're getting cock blocked by an X1 and a GLS 63. Oh no. Oh, we're just gonna go through the red. Now we're rolling, guys. Check out that color. Oh, he's really going for it. If you guys remember this car from a previous video, this guy was trying to sell his Infiniti for $110,000. He's taking the sign off though today. Maybe it's sold. They're leaping the shit out of that Murcielago. Yes. Beverly Hills. Look at the wheels. Look at the wing. Look at the kit. Everything that could go wrong on a Murcielago is embodied in this car right in front of me. All right, we're actually not interested in that car. We're interested in this one right here. Yes. Right-hand drive. Hello. Check out this license plate, guys. G-Wagon. What? Here we go. It's half chrome, half Louis Vuitton. Are you kidding me right now? Beverly Hills Mustang. Check out the sticker, guys. It's from Idaho. Rolling. Guess who it is? Guess who it is? We got Crucial Cali Cars. There he is right there, the man himself. Oh, he's getting nervous. He's getting nervous. We got a whole lineup here, guys. We got the Rolls Royce. What the fuck? Yes! Taiwan, Those guys in the Huracan are not amused. Look at them. They're like, oh fuck my life. They're like, don't look up, don't look up, don't look up. It's green. You're good. You guys can look up now. These two guys over there are pissed. They're like, I won't look up. No. I've been embarrassed by Crucial Cali Cars. Where did he go? He's disappeared. Oh, I got the tail end of that. I didn't think he was gonna do it. Dude, look at this.
No burnout.
Not that car.
Hey, just slam into this and then just spin the back.
He's like, no, hubby.
Watch it.
Oh, no, he's getting vlogged.
We love it!
Get it.
He's got the flame. Whoa, he's chasing. What? Oh my God.
Imagine he
What?
crossed the light.
What the fuck? Dude, that was an impressive sprint. That's a 100-meter dash. 100-meter leap. Check out this limo, guys. Beverly Hills 90210 style. What the hell? Dude, that's pretty nice. I've never seen a limo like that before here. Currently cruising around Beverly Hills, Los Angeles, the usual loop, but we got something special for you guys tonight. Something real special. Keep the chopper in the air and check out all the police up there. What's happening? Look, there's like 10 cops that way. There's like 10 cops that way. Let me know in the comments below what you think is going down right here. What is going on in this situation? High-speed chase? Robbery? I don't know. Oh, the cops are moving now. Hold on. Dude, his door's open. His door's open. He goes, you know what? I gotta roll. I gotta roll. Oh, whatever you just commented, think again. Oh, Jesus. I think, oh, dude, what the? Yeah, they got the whole neighborhood blocked off. They're definitely looking for somebody. Yep, they're all rolling. It's like, I got my light bars on. Stratman, your light bars ain't shit compared to the cops. That's right. You heard me, boy. I'm calling you out. Anyways, back to our scheduled lead content. We got an edition 1. Hello, mate. We're at Earth Cafe. Oh, we got a whole squad here. Check this out. To my left, we got the Prior Design. We got the McLaren. We got the Rolly Arab O'Clock. And we got the Qatar 488. Range Rover. More Mercedes. Oh, look. It's the F12 with a roof scoop on the top. Peep the roof scoop, guys. Check that out. G-Wagons, Model 3s, Huracan with a wing. I have a feeling this Corvette next to me is gonna floor it. Oh, I guess not. Haha. No, wait, I spoke too soon. I do see an Aventador SV in red. Hold on, let's soak it in, and there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Aventador SV and a stock i8. Ugh. Check that out. Classic Hollywood Boulevard. We got a trash can in the middle of the street. And that's when you know you're in America, baby. Check this out. We're on Sunset Boulevard. There's a bunch of cops. Hold on. What the hell is going on here? There's like 500 kids. What the fuck? Holy smokes. Wait, what? Dude, are you kidding me right now? Hold on, we gotta U-turn and check this shit. Hold on, I'm gonna turn on night vision for you guys. This is really weird. You can sort of see all the kids and teenagers or whatever here. There's around 20 of them right here, but if you go back that way, there's legit like 500 kids. I got night vision on. So it might be, I don't know how it's looking right now, but we got the cops right here shutting down the party. What the fuck? These guys are now running. What the fuck? What the hell, guys? Are you kidding me right now? We got hype beasts. We got, dude. Oh my God. Look at all these people. Oh my goodness. No way. Let's make it right here. Alright guys, I got night mode, night vision off. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but the police are here. There's just kids everywhere in the middle of the street. Hold on. We are back in Beverly Hills, guys, and it just gets better. Are you kidding me right now? The doors definitely do go up. On a Mustang. Let's just pray it's not a V6 or an EcoBoost. Check this out. We got another CLS 63 in chrome right there with a rear lip wing. And look at this, an R7. What the? Dude, that's like an Alex Troy spec. We got the Z06. This is pretty interesting because I think all the BHPD 90210 cops are at that fucking silly ass high school kid party that we just saw. So right now, as of right now, 10:46 p.m., Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who just did a pull there? Who just did a pull over there? As of right now, guys, the streets are absolutely clear of 90210 BHPD. The Arabs, the fuckboys are free to roam as they please. But that might change any second. Here, we got a 10-year-old drawing on this car. And we still got the LAPD or the West Hollywood Police. Ooh, now this entire section has been Ooh. Dude, what is going on here, guys?